2-week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and yes, I am looking at my notes. Okay, this is day 11. I actually wrote some notes on a card here for today's stitch. So this is called the Griddle stitch, and the Griddle stitch gives you a dense, very textured fabric, but it is slow growing. I'm going to tell you, it is a slow grower, which to me is not appealing. I like my crochet projects to go quick. I like them to work up really fast because I'm impatient. But the Griddle stitch is dense, and when you hear dense, you think, okay, it's gonna be a slow grower. So I did 2 swatches for the Griddle stitch. I did a small one and a big one. Now, I don't know if you'll believe me, but these actually have the same number of stitches. The small one, is actually used just 4-weight acrylic yarn, and this one uses still acrylic, but it is a chunky weight yarn. It's I think number 5. I think it's a 5-weight, maybe a 6-weight yarn. But I wanted to show you the difference and kind of impress upon you the slowness of the stitch. I do like this stitch. I like it a lot, and it is fairly mindless to make. Easy repeat, that's for sure. But I think that this would be amazing for like washcloths or dishcloths in a cotton yarn, just because it is so dense. Okay. I forgot to tell you with stitches it uses, so it's really just single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. And on the next row, it's just the opposite. So if you did a double crochet, you're going to do a single crochet into it. Single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. And it isn't something that you're going to get mixed up doing. You can read your stitches and tell which is the double and which is a single. But that's what gives it that like bumpy stitch. I don't know why they call it the Griddle stitch. No idea. If you know, let me know in the comments below, because I'm curious. Why do they call it the Griddle stitch? If you'd like to make the Griddle stitch, I do have a tutorial from Daisy Farm Crafts. So that's linked below. Daisy Farm Crafts, they make a lot of cute stuff. And their tutorials are amazing. Very easy to follow. So yeah, Daisy Farm Crafts. All right, I will see you tomorrow with another fabulous stitch idea that's perfect for binge watching anything. Unless it's something you really just want to watch. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.